we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Adding additional RAM to any laptop generally increases power consumption by a measurable, if small, amount, but this shouldn't be an issue for most users. It's also better to have a bit too much RAM than too little, as whatever you gain in power savings you'll promptly lose to increased disk paging.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.